Deputy Majority Leader Marlene Agabas.
Thank you, Madam Chair, Jocelyn Lim Kaichong. Sorry, I was called a while ago. Kanya lang nasa kabila po ako. Medyo mas mabilis po tayo dito. Okay. So, this is just a short manifestation. I just would like to say thank you to the SWD family. Thank you very much, Secretary Rex, for being at the helm of the SWD. From the very start, I know talaga if you're there, the SWD is in good hands. So, I give my hands for you. Thank you.
Madam Chair, thank you, Your Honor.
And I just would like to put on record that on behalf of the people of the 6th District of Pangasinan, we would like to say thank you very much sa lahat po ng programa ninyo. Kung mayroon man pong, sa dami-dami ng mga programa, isa po sa talagang na nararamdaman at kilalang-kilala sa aming distrito ay ang programa ng AIX. Ang programa ng AIX for the Burial, Medical, Educational Assistance, yung programa natin ng AKAP. Sa amin pong distrito, 80% po kasi ay pagsasaka. So talagang pagpanahon na ho ng July, August, September, wala hong ani nakatanim. Sa mga tao, walang hanap buhay. Talagang hinihintay yung paglaki ng itinanim. So yung ayuda para sa Kapos ang Kita program, talagang damang-dama ng tao yung programa pong yun. Hindi man po kalakihan, sa iba hindi malaki, pero sa iba ho, napakalaki ng amount na yon. Lalong-lalo na pag lean months, may pambili po ng bigas, may pambili ng konting ulam, so malaki pong tulong yon, and I support that project very much. So in the proper time, for the increase of your budget sa mga programa pong ganyan, rest assured that the 6th District of Pangasinan supports your budget. And also, I would like to make emphasis dun po sa programa natin sa SLP, sa mga feeding program, at lastly po sa social pension. Maraming salamat din po doon. Marami rin po talagang natutulungan ng mga senior citizens po natin. But meron po tayong bagong batas na pinasa. Yun pong pag 80, pag 85, pag 90, pag 95, may matatanggap po sila. So, hinihintay po ng ating mga senior citizens ang programa pong ito. Ano po kaya magiging estado ng programang ito sa 2025? Pwede pong enlighten us. Thank you.
Madam Chair, the good Congresswoman raised a very valid point. First of all, let me also thank her for the continued support to our regional office in the area. Madam Chair, as mentioned, the expanded expanded Centenarian Act will no longer, including the main Centenarian program, will no longer be administered by DSWD next year. Based on the law, it's going to be the National Commission on Senior Citizen, and I believe that they will have their own budget hearing. I will not want to talk on their behalf, but the law states that they will be the main implementer. As sad as we are that we are letting go of this program, we have to follow the law. So by next year, ma'am, if you look at our budget, Madam Chair, it is no longer a line item in our NEP. We would have wanted to keep it. Mahal na ho namin ng mga senior citizen, kaya lang ho, kailangan namin sumunod sa batas. So, I would wait for the NCSC to explain their preparedness in implementing the original Centenarian Act and the expanded Centenarian Act.
Okay, thank you very much. So, for the record, next year, wala na po sa DSWD ang responsibilidad para sa centenarian, yung mga 100 years old, at yun hong 80, 85, 90, 95 sa expanded centenarian law.
Madam Chair, that is correct. Nasa NCSC na po.
Okay, so hihintayin po namin yung panahon na yan kasi nabanggit ko po ito dahil may mga konti yung agam-agam as to the capacity kung paano, dahil hindi naman po lahat ng regions or districts ay may offices nga po sila na pwede hong puntahan ng mga tao. So I think it's a challenge to them. Well, we will just address that at the proper time. So to end, Madam Chair, I just would like to take also this opportunity to thank sa mga regional officers po natin, especially headed by our regional director, our very active and vibrant regional director, asan na si Director Maria Angela Gopalan. Palakpakan pa natin. Thank you. And Secretary, Madam Chair, I just would like also to take this opportunity. Napaka-challenging po ng programang AKAP at pati ng SLP, lahat po ng mga programa ninyo with the very minimal number of employees that you have. Maraming salamat po. Balita ko hindi na ho sila natutulog. Talaga hong sa field office, saludo po ako sa mga tao ho ninyo doon. Hanggat kaya nila talaga, hanggang kahit umaga, hanggang hapon, kung gagabihin yan, andun pa rin po sila. So again, on behalf of the people of our district, maraming salamat po sa inyo at mabuhay po kayo. Thank you.
Madam Chair, thank you for the acknowledgement. I'm sure our social workers and community development workers na nanonood ho ngayon will really appreciate the accolade given to them.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much, Kong Agabas. Just for your information, yung sinasabi niyo na centenarian, nasa next year, it's already lodged with the Senior Citizens Commission, and yung implementing rules and guidelines is already in progress. Naka-draft na siya.
Thank you, Madam Chair.